bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
Good morning. It's the better looking half of UK-PINAY here this morning. It's Sunday. So yeah, another relaxing day today. We're going to have jacuzzi later, barbecue, usual stuff. You know how it is, guys. So yesterday, obviously I got my new car now. Well happy with it. It's brilliant. Ascension got a little Range Rover Vogue, and she went and took it, got it polished and washed and cleaned inside and out because I smoke in it, and I'm always getting a bollocking because I mess her car up. So that's all looking shiny on the driveway now, and I daren't get in it and drive it now and smoke because she'll kick my ass. And yesterday, my car, I spent most of the morning cleaning the carpets because somebody had a dog in it at one point. There was dog hairs in there. There still is a few in places. But I used the carpet cleaner. And I got a bit smart. I went up to Lidl and I bought coconut fabric conditioner, coconut washing, not powder, but washing liquid for the washing machine, and some Vanish. And I've used a concoction, a spoon of each, a scoop of each, and I put it in the carpet cleaner, and I carpet clean the carpets in the car. Now it doesn't smell like dog anymore. It smells like coconut. It's cleaned the carpets, it's softened it a little bit, and it smells like coconut. It's really nice. And then I got some special, it's like a wax balm off Amazon for leather. And I applied all that to the seats and all the leather on the doors, and I left that on for a bit yesterday and wiped it off, and that's made the leather look black again and more shiny, and it's conditioned the leather, makes it like feeds it. I think they call it feeding the leather. So that looks nice. I'm halfway through setting up my Android Auto, my aftermarket radio. So I've linked it to my phone, and I'm just downloading apps today and getting all that sorted out. But it's working all right. It's just taking a bit of getting my head around it. So I'm going to finish that this morning, and then I'm going to start on the outside of the car and give it a machine polish and just finish it off. I did wash it yesterday. I took it for a wash and valet, but you know, you've got to do it yourself, guys. New cars, men, you know how it is. So there we go. Yeah, a bit strange this morning picking the keys up for my Range Rover, not the Ranger. I do like this though. Look at Ascension's little car, isn't it shiny? Huh? It's come up really nice. The old Kiss FLP. And here's the new edition, guys. There's the 4.4 twin turbo V8 diesel Range Rover Vogue SE. Looking good. We're a two Range Rover house now. His and hers, husband and wife. This has got private plates on it. It came with private plates, but they're coming off. I've retained my S. Cowdell number plates off the Ranger, and I'll be putting them on this when the logbook comes through in a few days' time. Right, first thing I really like about it, you don't need your key to get in it. As long as you've got your key in your pocket, you can lock the door and unlock the door by just putting your hand in there, and it just unlocks. Pretty smart. Well, I'll show you. Try. You do have to do door handle, actually, this one. Or if you want to get in, you just put your hand in there. Funky. So yesterday I started doing the leather. Look at the sheen on that now. It's soft and looking nice. A few little marks on it, but nothing much. It's getting tidy. I like it. So I did all the leather seats yesterday. They're looking a lot shinier, a lot nicer. Even the steering wheel. Oh, it's a lovely place to be, this car. Beautiful. Screen there. My dash cam. That's all LED as well. Everything's so nice in here. So I'm going to set up my Android Auto. I've put my little holder in for this action camera, this DJI Pocket 3. That's going to sit in here. That's it. I'll catch you in a bit. Something else you've really got to like about these V8s, even though it's diesel, is the way it sounds when it starts up. It's powerful. It's bloody quick. Apparently it's been remapped as well, so it's probably good for about 140 miles an hour top speed, and it's got 700 newtons of torque low down, which is the power. It's probably running about 350, 360 brake horsepower. Anyway, just listen to this when I start it up. She sounds gorgeous. Foot on pedal. Automatic wipers. It's gorgeous. This is all for your seats. So you've got your front and back, climate control. It's good. Seats. So I can actually I can cool the seats, or I can heat the seats. Then up here, you've got Android Auto. That's got everything on it. Absolutely everything. There's all your suspension controls. You've got all your terrain controls. So you can go into different settings for snow. Not that you get much in the Philippines, guys. You just leave it in auto normally. There's your gear selector. That's the same as Ascensions. When you start the car, it comes up. Then you get all your different forward, reverse, sport. It's got sport mode. Steering wheel controls. So you've got all your modes, hands-free, voice operated. And then this side's, that's all your cruise control, heated steering wheel. I'm just so into that dashboard. It's like a TV screen dashboard. It's beautiful. It really is, guys. A lovely place to be. There's so much room in here. All in the back, look. That's beautiful. I really like it. It's a massive car. And then you've got the, on a sunny day like this, you've got the panoramic roof. You just push this button here, and that all disappears. All the way to the back. There we go. Full glass roof all the way in the car. Well, I need to get into this now because I want other things on there. We've got obviously YouTube, but I just need to set everything else up. So I'm going to get on with that, and then I'll get back to you in a bit. All right, I've managed to get my Wi-Fi onto the car, and I'm just updating Android Auto. So you can see there everything's updating, all the apps. Bit of a ball ache when you first do it, but it's all updating. So hopefully everything will be synchronized to my phone and I'll have a bit more comfort. Can't fault this car, guys. I really, really like it. It's just such a Lovely place to be. It's a big car, but you know what? I like it. Right, that's it then, guys. So I've got my Android Auto working. Downloaded a few apps. I can listen finally to my Ozzy Osbourne now. Good old Ozzy. Had a bit of a clean up in here. Used some of this isopropyl alcohol, which is like really good for getting grime and grease off buttons. So it's well worth it, guys. Just get some of that. Next. What time is it? Too early for a beer yet. Finish this coffee. I think I'm going to start machine polishing the outside of the car. Struth. Mean business now. Shirt's coming off. My good God. But she's starting to look shiny. There we go. A little bit of polish on there. It's actually got a nice reflection in it now. Pretty nice. You forget how big these bloody cars are when you start polishing them panel by panel. At the moment, I've just done the tailgate. Just this bit. But I've got all that to do yet. So let's just crack on.
2 hours later.
Struth. Sometimes I don't know why I buy such big cars. Sweating. Absolutely soaked. There's only one thing for it, guys. Oh yeah. What else? Right, that's the machine polishing done. Just going to wipe everything off now. Luckily I've got a machine polisher and it's a very, very good one. But she's shiny. She's looking nice. I need some centre caps for these wheels. These are 73mm. Range Rover was a 63. They're bigger wheels, so the standard caps don't fit. Well, she's looking shiny. Looking good. Super shiny. Everything inside has been cleaned. She's all clean and tidy in there. That's very tidy. Whew. Inside, shiny. In the back, shiny. All very nice. I've even got aircon in the back, look, and massive speakers. Looking good. Okay. Very happy. Shiny across the front. Loads of positions for the seats. Tell you what I will show you. For a 14-year-old car, guys. That's one seriously clean engine bay. It's very nice. Everything's clean. And that, my friends, is a 4.4 litre, that's a 4,400cc, twin turbocharged V8 diesel. Very nice. It's very hot. There's only one thing for it, guys. Just getting here. Oh. And with it's this climate, wow, just knock that on. Seats, cooling. Climate, synchronise, 16 degrees. Woo! Gonna sit here for a bit now, guys, and cool off in my big leather armchair with my air conditioning and wait for the missus to come back with more supplies. I'm knackered, getting too old for this shit. You see there's the sun's blowing in through the top of this window. One more thing, just shut that. Getting cool in here now. I'm so hot. What's it say? 28 degrees at the moment, according to the dashboard. 28 degrees. Wow. Guys, there's always something with a Range Rover that you don't know about. I just sat in the back of my own car, and I'm finding out stuff all the time, which is part of the fun. It's a seriously cool place to be, and I'm not joking. You've got your own aircon up here, with obviously lights, but you've your own air conditioning. But something I found, which I didn't realise, which I'm going to show you now. I knew in the back it got heated seats, but I didn't realise it's actually got cooling seats as well. So these seats cool as well as heat on the backs and on the bottoms. Wow. This is a seriously comfortable and cool place to sit. In fact, I think I prefer the back to the front. Oh, and I've got reclining seats as well. The seats move forward or backward. That's cool. Talking of cool, I'm cooling off now. Just waiting for the missus to get back with supplies. Oh yeah, very comfortable car. Loads of mod cons in the back. So many speakers, absolutely loads. Big one there, 2 there. You've got some in the back, some in the front, loads on the doors. I think there's about 20 speakers in this. Oh yeah, the speakers in here as well. So even 1, 2, 3, 4 alone, plus one over my head. There's 5 in each quarter of the car, guys. I don't want to go anywhere now. This is chilled. It's red hot out there. It's lovely and cool in here. Even my ass is cool. Gotta love a Range Rover, guys. Oh, here's the boss. Before you do that, just come and sit in the back of this. I want to show you something. Today, before you do that, just come and jump in the back of this car. In the back, not in the boot, no babe, the back seat. Jump in there. I've just found something. Look at this, look at the blue buttons.
Oh, the cooling seat?
In the back as well.
Oh.
Good, isn't it? I like it better in the back.
They don't have this one there like that, can I? Shame. In the front.
Maybe you've got this as well.
What's in there?
I've got a. This doesn't work quite right. You have to push that and lift it, and there's a little
Compartment.
compartment in there as well. I'll pull it to pieces. It's like the Queen, look. That's why I've got steps. Because she's short.
That one is okay because you need that. I've got the charcoal
Okay.
and I got my ice cream
Good.
and I got my vegetable crisp.
Vegetable crisps. That's wrong on all levels.
And I got your supply.
Okay, that's the important thing, is the beer. This shiny car. How shiny it is. Ooh. Kiss, Filipina. Okay, finished. Now for my next trick. Hi Dad. We'll get that thing uncovered. And Ascension, as usual, sorting out the barbecue.
I don't burn it yet, but it's too early. It's better like a bit later.
I'm not hungry yet anyway.
A bit later, babe.
Okay, sweetie.
Because no, it's too hot.
Mrs. C's chefing again today.
We're doing the we cook the ribs, yeah?
Yeah, we'll do ribs as well today.
Because it's there. I always forgot though. Why you putting in my face now?
Because it's called the UK-PINAY blog, and you're UK-PINAY, babe. If it was Fat Yorkshire man's blog, it would be me on the camera.
Look, have you seen it? All the strawberry. I think all this fits.
Strawberries. Oh man, they're all spreading. Ascension's taking the carrots out. Look, all the strawberries are spreading now. There's so many strawberries. There's going to be twice as many soon.
It's better all the way here, not there, because we give
Yeah.
it.
There's lots of them. Okay. Barbecue is ready. Let's get the lid off that jacuzzi. And that's where I'm going now with a nice cold beer, guys. So that's the end of my vlog. I'm just going to say goodbye.
And goodbye from me. Thanks for watching. Salamat po.
Don't forget not to subscribe, because you don't normally subscribe, and I wouldn't like you forgetting to push that subscribe button down the bottom, okay?
Maraming salamat. Paalam.
Salamat. Palam. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.